In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram autoback issue or the Instagram keep stopping problem. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Search for Instagram and tap on it. If an update is available, update the app to the latest version. Next, go to your phone settings. Open Apps or Application Management. Then tap on See All Apps. Find and select Instagram from the list. Now tap on Force Stop, then confirm by tapping. Okay? After that, go to Storage and Cache and clear both cache and storage data. Once done, uninstall the app if needed or simply restart your phone. After restarting, open Instagram again. The issue should now be fixed, and the app should run smoothly without crashing or going back automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.